Good morning to all my dear students. I am Serena, your chemistry teacher. I think you have already studied about basic science in previous classes, but in this year you are going to study chemistry. What is mean by chemistry? Chemistry is a branch of science which deals with the study of structure of atoms, properties of matter, periodic table, elements, compounds, etc. But in this chapter, we studied the properties of matter. We know that substances exist in solid, liquid and gas state. In this chapter, we shall study the properties of solids, liquids and gases and also study the method adopted to separate mixed substances from their mixtures. Let us start our class. Listen here, there are some object is here. Can you tell me this pencil exists in which state? Can you tell me in which state this pencil exists? Okay, this pencil exists in solid state. Next, this is a beaker with water. Can you tell me this beaker with water exists? Can you tell me this beaker with water exists in which state? Okay, this is in liquid state. Next, this is an inflated balloon or air with balloon. Can you tell me in which state this balloon with air exists? This balloon with air exists in gas state. Okay. Next, we are going to find out the properties of materials surrounding you. Okay. First activity. Activity first. We need materials for first activity is 2 beaker with water. Take 2 beaker with equal amount of water. Then a stone tied with a thread. A stone tied with a thread. Next, we take 1 beaker. We take 1 beaker, then dip the stone with a thread in the water in the beaker. Water in the beaker. What happened to the water level? What happened to the water level? Can you tell me? The water level rises. Water level rises. What is the reason for that? What is the reason? Okay, there is a stone in the water. This stone requires some space to occupy. This stone requires some space to occupy. Next activity is activity 2. Activity 2. Listen here. Take a trough with 3/4 of water. Take a trough with 3/4 of water. Then put a glass tumbler. You should take an empty glass tumbler. Okay? You should take empty glass tumbler. Put a glass tumbler in the water perpendicularly. Put a immersed a glass tumbler in the water perpendicularly. What is your observation? Does water enter into the glass tumbler? No, water not enter into the glass tumbler. Then why water level rises? Why water level rises? Because there is a air in the glass tumbler This air requires some space to occupy. This air requires some space to occupy. Next activity 3 is activity 3. Listen here. Take two inflated balloon. Take two inflated balloon. Then hang it on to end of the scale. Hang it on to end of the scale. Then fix a cello tap on one balloon. Fix a cello tap on one balloon. The scale should be in balanced position using a thread. The scale should be a balanced position using a thread. After that, pierce the balloon with the cello tap using a needle. Pierce the balloon with the cello tap using a needle. What is your observation? What is your observation? Air in the balloon will losses. Air in the balloon will losses, and that portion of the scale will be raised. That portion of the scale will be raised. Okay. By doing these activities, what are the inferences can be drawn? By doing these activities, what are the inferences can be drawn? What are the inferences? Look here. Look here. Matter or substance is anything that occupies space and has mass. Has mass. Matter or substance is anything that occupies space and has mass. Also, we familiar with the properties of solid, liquid and gases. First, the properties of solid. First point is we studied or we familiar with has mass, and then second point is has definite volume, has definite volume. Then third point is has permanent shape. Then next second properties of liquids. Properties of liquids. First point is has mass. Then second point is has definite volume. Has definite volume. Then third point is no permanent shape. When we take water in a beaker, the water has a shape of beaker. Water has a shape of beaker. When we take water in a bottle, the water has a shape of bottle. Then next, properties of gases. First, has mass. We can identify the matter or material has mass by doing the activity balloon with air. Then next, no definite volume. No definite volume. Then last one is no permanent shape. No permanent shape. Okay. Now try to write these questions. Try to write these questions. Write down 3 activities to find out the properties of matter. Write down 3 activities to find out the properties of matter. Okay, now it is the time to wind up my class. We can continue next class. Okay, thank you.